Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel and we're back again with another tutorial video. So for this video, I'll be teaching you on how to add your Instagram link on your YouTube channel's description. But first, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will always be updated with our new uploads. So to start, we'll have to go first on my Instagram account and then here, let's go to my profile. So as you can see here, my profile name is Angeles Journal. I have to remember that because we're going to use that in my Google Chrome. So here in Google Chrome, we'll have to type instagram.com. Then let's add my name, my profile name in Instagram, which is Angeles Journal. And then after searching for that, I will be redirected to this account. So what we're going to do is to click on the triplet button at the top and click on the desktop option. And then here, what we're going to do is to click on the search bar and copy the link. So after copying the link, we'll have to open another Google Chrome site. And then here, we'll have to type youtube.com. So it will be redirected to my YouTube account. And then here, we'll have to change the settings to desktop site. And then let's click on the My Channel. And then here, you'll see the Customize Channel. And then after clicking that, you will be redirected to YouTube Studio. And then here in YouTube Studio, click on the basic info and look for the add links. So here you can now paste your link of Instagram. And then after doing that, you can now click publish. And then after clicking publish, you are now all set and your Instagram link is now added to your YouTube channel's description. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any comments or questions, please do comment it down below. And thank you all for watching. I'll see you on our next video.